Mae Cymru'n gartref i ecosystem o arloesedd dynamig sy'n helpu i drawsnewid ein iechyd a'n lles a'r dirwedd economaidd. Mae hwb Gwyddorau Bywyd Cymru'n falch o arddangos y datblygiadau diweddaraf gan y diwydiant, y byd academaidd a'r maes iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol.
So the role of the Life Sciences Hub is to support the identification, development and adoption of innovative products for the benefit of health and social care. Rototherm is a great example of a company that's diversified its business model to step up to the needs of the COVID pandemic. They changed their production lines to manufacture face shields and face masks and really stepped up when the industry needed it to supply critical products.
So Rototherm manufactures precision instrumentation that measures temperature, level, pressure and flow. So since the pandemic, our brand Rotomedical is now producing face shields, Type 2R medical masks, face coverings, reusable face masks, goggles and also protective screens. Life Science Hub have given us some great contacts and great introductions across Wales in industry. They've also advised us of companies and partners that we can work with outside of Wales, and they've been able to get us some specialist testing, so it's a really great company to work with and have really helped us grow and expand and develop our business.
To date now, we've made over 5 million face visors and over 20 million face masks. With the PPE, we supply the NHS and care homes and also schools. We supply Wales, obviously, and the UK. We also supply Europe and also the USA.
So Rototherm is an example of a forward-thinking company that is now operating in a global landscape. They've worked most recently with Bolle safety glasses to bring forward new products to support the health system. We'd encourage companies like Rototherm with an interest in life sciences to get in touch, and let's explore how we can put you in touch with collaborative partners that can develop new solutions for our health and social care sectors.
Mae hwb Gwyddorau Bywyd Cymru'n gweithio ar y cyd i sicrhau mae Cymru yw'r lle ar gyfer arloesi y maes iechyd, gofal a lles. Ymunwch â ni wrth i ni droi ein gweledigaeth yn reality. Cysylltwch â ni drwy e-bostio hello@hwbgybcymru.com neu ewch i lshubwales.com/ky i ddysgu rhagor.